Hello everyone, this video is about how to change a YouTube channel art or a banner. So how is this done? You're gonna get onto your YouTube app on your mobile device as you see over here, then sign in with the account which you're gonna upload or change its banner. After doing so, because for me I've already signed in my account, so you tap the profile picture above of your channel above here, then tap where you see your channel. Once your channel loads up very well, you can then tap the edit button over here. So remember, this video is about how to change the YouTube channel art or a banner. So you get over here at the banner, tap the camera like icon over here, tap it, then you're given two options, either to take a photo immediately or to choose from your photos. So you can use these options so that you can upload yourself or change yourself the YouTube channel art or a banner. Thanks for watching this video. You can also look at those videos at my end screen. They might be of a great use to your channel. Please watch those videos, or there are also other videos in my description. Go see them. They might be of some help to you. Thank you.